In this video, I will show you how to do big twists on short natural hair. If you're interested, stay tuned. The first step to achieving any protective styling is to make sure your hair is nice and moist and preferably clean, and that's what I'll be doing. And then I sectioned my hair into big boxes, like because I wanted very big braids, so that's why my partings were so big. And then I went ahead and detangled my hair, each strand, to make sure it was all nice and detangled. For this style, since it was big boxes, I went ahead and used my small black rubber bands drenched in oil so that they won't cut my hair, and I just tied the big section that I had to make sure all the hair was going to be in the twist. And this was the final look after I had done my rubber band method, and as you can see, I was going in lines to ensure that I got all hair, and this is how it looked in the end before I started braiding. So the first thing we're going to do will be using a crochet. You insert the braids that you're going to use inside the box braid with the rubber band and pull it on the other side just as you would normally do a crochet. And since I wanted them big, I used a lot of braids, and the style was not painful whatsoever, and I really liked how it turned out. After inserting all the pieces I was going to use, I left one piece outside, and I will use that to tie the braid. And I used the hair. I took my hair and then you split it into two just to make it nice and tight, and it was not as tight or as painful as it may seem. In fact, it's actually very less painful than all the other protective styles I've ever had. And then you just want to take that strand, the two strands that you have, one strand on each side, and pull it nice and tight so that all the hair gets caught in the twist out. And then that's when I added my extra piece of hair, just like I said, because I wanted my braids to be big. And then I started twisting. So just twist in a natural way, like how natural it feels for you. And I don't know if it was anti-clockwise or clockwise, but the twists just came out nicely how I wanted. So then from there you just go ahead and twist your hair. Just to make sure the hair was neat, I would twist each strand before actually twisting it, as you can see, and this made the braids nice and neat, like how I wanted them to be. They turned out so great, guys, and I know my partings are not as straight, but that's not my biggest problem. Usually when I'm doing a protective styling, I just want to protect my hair from the weather elements and other things that I have no control over. And since I wanted long braids, I went ahead and added another piece of hair extension just to make them nice and long how I wanted. So here I am adding the extra piece of hair so that I got the length that I deserved. I wanted long box twists for the 6 protective styling. since I was doing very long twists, I had to twist for a while, but voila, look at that, it turned out amazing. I'm just going to show you again how to do it from the beginning. You take the box braid by which you have the rubber band tied, you insert the hair extensions underneath. I promise you this is not painful whatsoever. Then you go in there, and then you would want to start twisting. But before I twisted the hair, I went in and added my extra bit of hair, and since I wanted them fat, I just used a lot of braids, and I am not complaining. It turned out great. It was not even as fat as I thought it would be. It was just the perfect size that I wanted. And then that's when you go in with the extra piece of hair. This is just like to cover it up and cover the rubber band so that it can't be seen. And then twist the hair before twisting it to get a very nice and neat look. And yeah, loved how it turned out. And since the braids were long, the twisting was so tiring, guys. But I do love long braids and I don't mind putting in the work, and I really liked how the look turned out. And at some, don't forget to add your extra length so that they all are the same. And voila, that's it, guys. That's how you do big box twists with rubber bands as a protective hairstyle. And I really loved how this look turned out. I can't complain, it was amazing. And then you'll just go in with the edges. If you're not new here, you know I do not touch my edges because that's what edge controls are for, and I am a fan of them. I use them a lot. And just to show you how long the hair was, this was me twisting it out, and I really loved how it looked. It's a very nice, easy, protective hairstyle to do, and all of you can try it and tag me or leave a comment down below. This will be my protective style for this week, and I am impressed. If you're new here, my name is Maria and I make videos about natural hair and protective styling. Please kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and to all my subscribers, thank you for being with me and for growing with me. I love you all and I appreciate you all so much. Bye. Thanks for watching. And this was me after I was done with a full face of makeup and loving it. Bye.